Let's talk about IB designable and IB inspectable in iOS in Swift. Let's talk about IB designable and IB inspected by using UIKit project and example. So create on this. So first of all, we are going to discuss about IB inspectable. What is IB inspectable? IB inspectable is a runtime property. Mean this work as key coding value. You can't find this change in storyboard. You can't find this change in the storyboard. It will be applied in the runtime IB inspectable property, and IB inspectable runtime IB inspectable property. Okay, and IB inspectable gives us the flexibility to create your own attributes to be configured on the interface builder, which allows you to render the element allow you into render the element directly on the interface builder. So we're gonna create an example, simple example. So command N, we're gonna create a CocoaTouch class, and this is a CocoaTouch class which have a, and this is a UI view control subclass. This is a sign up view control. Okay, which we're gonna create on sign up view controller, and we're gonna create on this main. We're gonna drag up UI view control on a storyboard. We're gonna drag up UI view controller on a storyboard. Okay, we're gonna drag up on view control on a storyboard. We're gonna assign in this class sign up view controller. This is the initial view controller. Okay, and we're gonna drag up UI button on a view controller, and we're gonna apply this constant on a button. We're gonna apply this constant on a button. We're gonna apply this constant on a button. Suppose we're gonna apply this constant on a button horizontally, vertically in the container, and we're gonna apply on the height and width. We're gonna apply on the height is, suppose this is a 300, and width we're gonna apply on this 50. Okay, and we're gonna apply this two constant, and we're gonna change on this background color in this button. So this is a yellow color. Okay, we're gonna create on this outlet on a UI view controller subclass. We're gonna create our sign up view controller, and control press drag drop. This is a sign up button. This is a sign up button. We're gonna create on the sign up, only create on the sign up button. Okay, so this is a sign up button, and we're gonna create a UI view. So we can use the, in this tutorial we can change on this is a custom button. Suppose we're gonna create on the custom button, and with command N, which have a CocoaTouch class, and this is a UI button subclass. This is a default sign up button. Sorry, this is a sign up button. This is a sign up button. This is a sign up button. Sign up button. Okay, we're gonna get on the sign up buttons, and this is a sign up button view. Okay, in this type of sign up button, and we're gonna apply this in this button property, in this sign up property. This is not applying button, this is sign up property, and we're gonna apply on this one storyboard, and this is a button assigned on this class. Our class is a sign up button class, button class. Okay, so in this sign up buttons, and we're gonna apply on this property sign up button. We're gonna apply on this property. So in this sign up button, as I apply on this property, suppose we're gonna corner radius, but not applying this corner radius, and border width, and we're gonna apply this property. So we're gonna check main storyboard and press button. This is not applying this corner radius, not applying the border width. So we're gonna apply on this. We're gonna create on this corner radius. So this is a IB inspectable. IB inspectable var corner radius. And instead of corner, which is type of double, and create on this computed property. Okay, and we're gonna get the getter and setter. So in this getter property, so return, and we're gonna return, and in this property return, so return double, which have gonna double, and which have initialized self layer dot corner radius, self dot layer dot corner radius. In this property of this cell, and we're going to create on this setter. We're going to get on this setter and set on this property self dot layer, and we're going to apply on this property dot corner radius and dot corner radius, and we're going to bind on this property. This is a bind on property. Suppose this is a is equal to CG float, and in this property is a new value. This is a new value, get your value set on this new value. Okay, so in this property on this new value. So this is a corner radius, apply on this property. Suppose we're going to apply on this border width. So we're going to get on this IB inspectable property, and we're going to apply on this IB inspectable property. Suppose we have a, this is a border color, sorry, border width, which is type of border width property in this double same, and this is double layer dot border width, not apply on this corner radius. This is the border width, and we're going to apply on this layer dot corner border width, and this is a no value, this is a border width. Okay, in this two property in this create. So we're going to check on this property, manage storyboard, and press button, sign up button. So this is a corner radius and border width. We can find on this property corner radius and border button. We can zoom on this view controller. So this is a find on the corner radius and border width. We're going to apply this. Suppose this is a corner radius 20 and border width is 4. Okay, and we're going to run this application, check on this properties. So IB inspectable is a runtime property, mean this work as key coding value. You can't find on change in this storyboard. It will be applied in the runtime property. So this is it. We're going to apply on this corner radius, and we're going to apply on this border width in this property, border width and corner radius in this apply button, border width and corner radius in this property. Okay, so thank you for watching this video of IB designable IB inspectable property in Swift. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, IB inspectable property in Swift.